Looking for great sound without breaking the bank? And below is a curated list of the best turntables under 200. Ideal for beginners, casual listeners, and vinyl lovers on a budget. These affordable record players offer solid performance, easy setup, and essential features to help you enjoy your favorite albums with classic analog warmth. Starting at number 1, Vinyl Record Player. The LPN number 1 LPSC008 vinyl record player in black pearl is an affordable 3-speed turntable that plays 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM records, featuring an included 45 RPM adapter and an auto-stop function that halts playback at the end of a record. Designed with a vintage-inspired wood and plastic body, it comes with a removable dust cover and detachable external stereo speakers for richer, louder sound compared to built-in only models. The turntable also supports Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone or tablet, and offers RCA outputs to connect to other audio systems. While ideal for casual listeners and beginners seeking classic vinyl playback on a budget, it provides a modern touch with adjustable speeds, a built-in preamp, and stylish design, making it a versatile choice for enjoying your vinyl collection without breaking the bank. Number 2, Victrola Navigator Record Player. The Victrola Navigator 8-in-1 Bluetooth record player is a versatile, all-in-one music system that blends classic vintage design with modern features. It includes a 3-speed belt drive turntable that plays 33 1/7, 45, and 78 RPM vinyl records, plus built-in CD and cassette players, FM radio, Bluetooth wireless streaming, USB playback, and aux-in for connecting external devices, all through its built-in stereo speakers. With real wood construction and intuitive controls, including a full-function remote, you can enjoy multiple media formats right out of the box and RCA outputs and a headphone jack add flexibility to connect external systems or listen privately. This makes the Navigator great for casual listeners who want a nostalgic, multi-function music hub with modern connectivity. Number 3, All-in-One Record Player. The 10-in-1 All-in-One Bluetooth record player in black walnut is a versatile multimedia music system that combines classic analog playback with modern convenience, letting you enjoy vinyl records, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, CDs, cassette tapes, FM radio, USB audio, and Bluetooth streaming all through its built-in stereo speakers, no extra components needed. It also includes USB recording and MP3 conversion, so you can easily digitize your vinyl, CDs, or cassettes directly to a flash drive without a computer, and enjoy intuitive front panel controls for quick setup. With its retro wooden design and multiple playback formats, this unit blends nostalgic style with contemporary functionality, making it a great choice for music lovers who want one compact system to handle a wide range of audio sources. Number 4, HOFEINZ Vinyl Record Player. The HOFEINZ Bluetooth Vinyl Record Player, Walnut, is a vintage-styled 3-speed turntable that lets you play 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM vinyl records and enjoy your music through built-in stereo speakers with enhanced clarity from its diamond stylus. It also features Bluetooth connectivity, so you can wirelessly stream music from your smartphone or tablet, and a handy vinyl to USB recording function that lets you convert records directly into MP3 files on a USB drive without extra software. The elegant wooden design with a removable dust cover gives it classic appeal, making it a nice decorative addition to living spaces while offering modern playback versatility. Note, while great for casual listening and starter setups, entry-level performance and built-in speaker quality may be limited compared to higher-end systems. Number 5, Audio-Technica AT-LP60BK. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60BK USB, fully automatic belt drive stereo turntable, black, is a popular entry-level record player that's ideal for beginners and casual vinyl listeners. It offers fully automatic belt drive operation with 2 speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM for playing standard LPs and singles, and features a die-cast aluminum platter and dual magnet phono cartridge with replaceable diamond stylus for reliable playback quality. The built-in switchable phono preamp lets you connect the turntable directly to powered speakers or a home stereo system without needing an external preamp, And it also includes a USB output, so you can easily convert your vinyl records into digital audio files on a computer using common recording software. The unit comes with adapter cables, a removable dust cover, and a 45 RPM adapter, making it a convenient plug-and-play choice for starting your vinyl journey or digitizing classic collections.